Damn, y'all, look at this hoe. Good morning. So it's 7:09 a.m. We need to go right now because we have the yunque rainforest excursion at 8, and we need to be there by 7:50, but we want to get breakfast. So we're gonna head out. It's not too far. It's like a few minute drive, 7 minute drive, you know, the usual. But I'm not gonna take you guys with me because I'm scared y'all are gonna get wet. Not in a good way. Right. I'll try to vlog my phone. My phone has been like low-key tripping out. 0.5 is the only way I can record, and the quality isn't cute. But I'll do it regardless for y'all, just so y'all can see. If not, you can also see it on my TikTok. Let me show y'all the fit. Boom. I know it's all white, but we'll get off. It's fun if this gets dirty. Like, I can dye it a different color. Like, I can wash it. It's no biggie. So yes, I'll see you guys after. Yes, let's go. Bye.
That was so gross.
Oh my god, Annalisa, your hair. Guys, this is crazy. Like, I'm holding Mia's phone. This is on Mia's phone. Woo! Okay, bye. Bye.
I'm sorry. Come on, save the cry, girl. Oh.
The finish like that.
My heart being fast.
Beautiful.
Come on. Come on.
Hey. Guys, we're gonna go eat a little bit and go out.
Where did it go? Oh, it's right here.
You probably can't hear me, but we're trying to find food. But we're weighing our options. No, they stopped right when I started recording. Okay, we found a place. But Stacey's trying to see if there's sleep. What? Right? Guys, we are at a different place.
I don't want the hookah. I want fried chicken sliders. So we'll eat it. I would eat some fried
New
chicken
place,
sliders.
the other place that we were in, I forgot the name. But
Kind of like guava cheese and banana, but
they were too big.
oh wait, but it's 3 sliders.
They just didn't have enough service
But how
to
are we
serve
gonna split
everybody.
3 sliders?
So
Never mind.
We can each have 1.5.
Oh yeah. Literally. Can we just get 4 sliders?
fried chicken sliders.
I like how they spelled short under
Wait,
the
they put a shot in the cookie? Yes.
Yeah.
But like it's not in the cookie, like you take the shot out of the cookie.
This is
Are we going after?
it's a
Can we
hookah
go there
bar.
after?
I've never been to a hookah bar before.
Yes. 12 a.m.
Okay, so we have a little bit of time, but we have to hurry. Everybody have your order ready in 2 seconds.
Oh.
Wait, I will split the fried chicken sliders today. You want that?
100 plus
Coconut
cigarettes.
shrimp.
I'm gonna get
I was thinking about that.
I could put the
1 session of a hookah.
hello, no shot.
100 plus cigarettes.
1 session of is what?
A hookah is 100 cigarettes.
I can't hear what you're saying. I'm sorry.
1 session of a hookah is 100 cigarettes.
Oh, 100 cigarettes. I heard 100 like cents, and I was like, what are you talking about? A dollar?
I'll get.
I don't know why, but like I don't trust like coconut shrimp from like a hookah place.
I do like coconut.
It's a restaurant. Think so? He said it was good. He recommended it to us. Because he works here. No. Yeah.
Coconut shrimp is. I'll do the beach sliders.
If you guys, we can always eat somewhere else after if you guys want.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the beach sliders. I'll get you back when my order is here.
Okay. And
My food is here. Yay! But I did pick out the tomatoes, the onions, and the pickle.
Bye.
But I will eat the pickle, but not everything else. Loki should have asked for it without, but I didn't know it came with that. So it's okay. Let's eat. You're gonna be in it.
is it grilled? Oh,
It's like grilled fry.
it's grilled fry, literally. Can you do one of my burgers? Because I'm not going to eat all three. I know I'm not going to eat all three. I know myself. Anybody else? Really hot. Okay, I'm gonna go finish all my food. Bye.
Good morning. Whoa. Anyways, hey guys. So it is our last day in PR. So sad, so sad. And Lisa did leave today, so bye bye, Lisa. We miss you. But today's just a chill day, just beach. We're gonna go get lunch. I forget the restaurant name, but I think it's like Bad Bunny's favorite restaurant, something like that. We're gonna go get dinner there. And then just go beach because we haven't had just a sit down beach day. Like, I need sit down beach day. Sorry, I'm like listening to their conversation. So yes, so I'll take you guys out. I'm sorry for being a bad vlogger. I feel like there's just been a lot going on, like timing issues, not finding the right places, yada yada yada. But the trip was still very fun. I would do it again. But you know, it's also hard carrying and trying to vlog when I'm like heavily overstimulated. Like I got like 100 shit in my bag. 100 shit in my bag? What? I got tons of shit. Okay, maybe not. Let me not. I got a lot of things in my bag. It's heavy. I'm trying to carry it. My feet hurt from walking. My skirt, I keep stepping on. Like there's just too much going on every single day. Yesterday, rainforest. You'll see the inserted videos, like from the rainforest, all taken on Mia and Annalisa's phone. Thank you, Mia and Annalisa. And that was an experience for sure. Was I scared shitless? Yes. Did I have fun doing it? Yes. Would I do it again? Maybe. Like, it was just so, like, if I were to do it again, guys, I'm still congested. Like, if I were to do it again, I'd bring like better shoes. My water shoes were okay, but like they slipped off. I would bring knee pads, and then I would have to come back after I take swimming lessons, and I'm now a pro because I can't swim. And like my friend said, I look like I come up, and when I come up out of the water, I look like I'm drowning. Even with the life jacket on, I look like I'm drowning. So new goal, learn how to swim with me. So yeah, but let me stop yapping your ear off because it's already been 3 minutes, and I'll see you guys at the restaurant. Bye.
Airport. Right. Guys, look where we're at. We are at
One bite over.
maybe 2. Oh. Anyways, we're at La Casita Blanca. Oh,
Okay.
Mia. And we're just waiting to be seated. But look, it's so cute.
Oh, ribs.
We have that. It's not in the menu, but we make it hard to like do like a facial for that. So if you want to try that, we have that. And we have this avocado. Just in case, you just have to wash it here. You can do it with beef stew, chicken stew. Another thing that if you want to try something out. And what can you do different? We have piña colada, some with a passion fruit, some with Mariana, Coke, Sprite, medalla, Michelob.
Oh, yes. We just have every drink. Fried cheese? Bring us a free something, like free soup. What do we do with the onion? Is it just decoration? Okay.
Yeah, why is there just an onion in my face?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Y'all see this? That's literally my worst enemy. Why is my worst enemy sitting right in front of me? Thank you.
He's gone.
Thank you, you saved my life. Thank you so much.
Courtesy of the house.
Watch out behind you. Thank you.
Oh, it's just like, thank you.
They give us, this is plantain soup. Let's try. Wait, what do they have?
It's just like,
That's so yummy.
You can probably get a shot.
Oh, I don't know about a shot for breakfast.
Why not?
Let's try this and rate it from 1 to 10. Oh, y'all can speak though. It's really good.
So it's garlic shrimp that's like in avocado.
I'm sorry about the music, y'all. I'll try my best to
You don't
edit
do
it
shrimp
out,
brown,
or I'll
that's
just be
like
copyrighted.
I've never had that before. Not fried stuff. Well, it's just cooked. It's really good. It's ceviche. But I have it cut out. Not like a full.
I want the brown stuff.
But if I do that, it's fire. I want to try something different.
Wait, it's good.
What did you say it was? Plantain?
I think so.
Is this belly? Yeah. Can I see it? Yeah.
I'm really into this.
Like it tastes like, I don't know what it tastes like, but this is good.
Yeah, this is the stuff I'm talking about. That's good.
I get fried pork chop. I'm scared. I'm trying to figure out what I want.
Oh my god. Scared of what? Like if
I've never had a shrimp that's not fried.
Look at that picture.
It's so cute.
They have a lot of ground beef there. Yeah, it looks okay.
Okay.
Do they have reviews on it?
I think
Yeah.
next, you know, it's less speaking more.
I wonder what they said is best.
I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying.
Somebody did put this as a...
Damn, yo, look at this. Oh, this is huge. Oh, I'm about to have leftovers. But let's try this. Wait, let me get it for the TikTok. Look at the bird.
I like the little blurb second.
Don't judge me.
Allergic to vegetables.
Allergic to vegetables. JC just laughed in my face.
I thought it was on my lap. I was so scared.
That scared the shit out of me.
The chicken looks so good. Yeah, you want to let me try like a little bite of that?
Yes, of course.
What is it, chicken?
Yeah. Breaded chicken. Do you want to look this up?
That's fire. Are those mine or yours?
No, me falta la botella. Me falta eso es fácil. Para todos, para todos.
Are they for...
No, it's not for her. It might be
Oh, I
for
got
you.
rice. Wait, I got beans. Where are my beans at? Are you ready? These are my beans. You said that? Okay. What is this? Oh. I can't cut this. Oh my god. Damn, that's good.
Katie, do you want it with the sauce?
They're all rice and beans.
You can eat it all.
He said no more? Oh, everybody. I guess I'll get my portion.
I don't want any beans.
You can finish it. Sorry, that was just so yummy. Thank you. The beans are really better than the stew. Like, both are fire. I feel like that's kind of dipping you on what you paid for them. Because you paid for full rice.
But I don't think we're sure. He's bringing more.
Oh.
Could I have one more time?
I feel like somebody's grandma cooked it, you
Wow. Beautiful.
all that.
No words. Just gorgeous. We're all just like so focused on eating. Like. But yes, I'll see you guys at the beach / souvenir shop. Bye.
Express card left.
Look what we found, bro.
I like female body inspector.
Yeah,
That's pretty good.
Your mama said I'll leave her American Express card left home without it.
Oh. Yeah.
You should get
Guys, it's cute.
I only cry when other people hold me down.
Oh wait, that's so cute. Aw. But you kind of ate that.
Oh.
Hey. Ooh.
So they're not tunable?
I low-key don't know what kind of souvenir to bring. I need something that would fit in my bag. Maybe something cute I can give to my sister.
I know me and Rena saw these and we're like, does this have shit in it? At like the Walgreens, I think.
Wait, but can we get one of these? I'll make one of these. Oh, they have little frogs too. I'll do $10.99. Oh, never mind. Wait, but this one has
Oh, that's cute.
Dominers.
Dominus. Umbrella? Staring at the edge of the water. Yeah, that's cute.
I wish I could be the perfect daughter.
And then Ava walks in. Oh. Okay, put that down. Okay, water shoes. Don't need those anymore. Is this good? Is it done? Like, this is so cute, but like, I'm not like, oh, I need this right now. Oh, wait, that's cute. What'd you say?
This is what Jesus wore.
This is what Jesus wore. Right. Oh, that's also cute. I kind of just want a keychain and then a fridge magnet.
Rest your ash.
Oh. Or shot glass. I don't have shot glasses
This
from
is
nowhere.
like for when you have like you cremate your
Oh.
family member and then you can rest their ash.
Oh.
That's what that is for.
Aw. That's so sentimental inside the toilet. Hello. That is cute.
Which shot glass do you think Lila would like?
This
Rub my belly. Making bacon. Ew.
Oh, not that one,
Rub
please.
my belly.
Rub my belly.
Rub my belly.
I like this. It's glass release plastic.
Oh. Prescription shot. We take the same meds. Do you think she'd laugh at this?
See what? Oh, this is cute.
No, you said you don't feel.
This doesn't say anything about location, but
You only took one, so really I think you need multiple. I think you just need more alcohol and you just.
I think I should get one of these for Lila because I'm gonna be a doctor
I don't know what the
and
plan
we were use the same medication.
Is this a shot glass? Because I kind of like.
Yeah.
I did not mean to hit you. I kind of like this one,
Right? Me too. That's what I'm saying.
but like it doesn't feel like a shot glass. Like,
It is.
but it feels so like.
Anything can be a shot glass if you believe it.
I also like this gold one,
Hello.
but this is gonna wash off in 2
Oh,
seconds.
yeah.
But it's I like this. It's gold. It feels. And it's the only one of its kind.
We are walking to another like souvenir shop. I didn't get anything in the other one. What, the win?
I filled our smallest drop of water.
You have what?
Filled a small drop of water.
Oh. No, it's not. It's just from like the trees. Yeah. Okay, guys.
Both of them blowing out. Or did you already have that?
She did. She just bought it. Guys, we stopped by a different one, and I got. Let me show you. Okay, turn. Hello. I got that magnet up there. I got this keychain for my sister, and then I got this one for myself. Alright, those are cute. But yes, it's cute in here. Got those things. We'll see if I can just get my mom and my sister, my brother or something. So yeah.
This one's there. I give it to you. So I grabbed the magnet.
Yeah. Wait, you're so weird for that.
You have to.
So you got that for free. For the free ski. She got this for the free ski. Yes. Miss Bargaining Queen. It's just, it just looks like ass. No. Wait for them to pay.
I'm so full.
Oh.
I just want things fun.
I know, I like it in here. Look, it's cute in here, guys. Look, glasses, hats, and then more. So nice and not busy. I would have gotten myself a shot glass, but like, I'm thinking about it and I don't really need a shot glass. I don't be taking shots in my own home like that. And I'm not a shot girly anyway, so this is good enough. I need to reapply my lip gloss, but we should start heading to the other one that we wanted to go to, and then we should go to the beach because it's been a while. It's been a while. They're almost done. We're almost done. Let's wait outside. Oh, warm.
Oh, nice hotel is.
Yeah. Wow.
You know what, Loki, with the best experiences is.
What?
It just was like two. I couldn't chew food.
Oh.
So now I'm like, maybe I should just eat the rest of them without it. Or I should inspect. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Guys, Katie got a bad piece of salmon. Anyways. Successful beach day. Oh! So I didn't actually click that, and all you got was boobs in your face. Sorry. Successful beach day. No tan, but
no rain.
no rain. So, you know, we take what we can get.
Yeah, it didn't rain once.
Right.
Maybe like a little bit more.
I'm scared. What if it hits us right now?
No. I've been crazing?
She's been crazy.
I think the Universal is struggling and then it gets so good.
Yeah.
I'm saying.
But I was really wanting an acai bowl, and I got an acai bowl. I basically finished munching it already, but I'm gonna save the rest of it. Like, well, I'm gonna eat a little bit more to make it half, and then save half of it for tomorrow morning, you know, before the airport, before the flight, before the craziness. So, yeah. Why do men keep starting? This way. But it's cute. We're waiting for Mia and Yvette.
Did we tell them to meet us here?
Oh, no.
Can we? Because. Oh, no. I just mean, can we communicate what we're gonna do? Because.
We both went opposite ways. I think we should just start walking towards each other. Figure it out.
Yeah. But, yeah, and then we're gonna go home, and we're actually not going out tonight. So that's pretty period. Pretty period.
It's been a long day.
Guys, I'm delirious. I need sleep.
Me too. I
But-
need a nap. That girl's
yeah.
night is gonna happen with my eyes shut.
Me too. But I was fucking up the acai so good that I stained my shirt. Like, I was eating it standing up because I couldn't wait. Anyways, that was all. Just wanted to update you guys. Y'all. Let's see. Let me show you where I'm sitting and why I keep making faces. We're sitting right here, right? Right. It's very open and all you can see is people walking. Boom. Oh.
That's done.
But, oh. Sorry. That was a little awkward. Anyways, bye. Guys, we made it through security. Yay. We made it through the airport in I think under an hour, Loki. Yeah. It took 30 minutes. But look, it's looking kind of pretty here. Like, this is a very nice airport. What's this? Dolce & Gabbana, Burberry, alcohol, nice makeup store. Oh yeah.
Is that the thing?
Like, I could buy a bag if I wanted to. But I'm not gonna buy a bag because who has bag money? Is this the right way? I'll get a repeat. I think I just need to sit first and then.